How to copy a level in Geometry Dash. In this video, I'll show you a quick tutorial or quick guide for you to be able to copy levels on Geometry Dash. First is open up the Geometry Dash application. This is going to be your home dashboard. In front of you, you should be able to see three options. What you want to have to choose is to choose on the tools icon that will redirect you into Geometry Dash settings. Now next is to choose on the search or the magnifying glass icon. Tap on that. And then on the next page, just simply type in the specific level where you would like that or where you would have to copy that, and then just simply tap on the search icon. And next in that, you will be seeing results depending on the level name if you preferred, and then just choose on get it for you to be able to copy it. And then on the next page, you just need to tap and to choose the lock icon right here. It's located on your left side. Tap on that, and you will be asked to input the specific password or the code of that certain level for you to be able to copy it. And that's it. That's how you copy a level in Geometry Dash.